Are you on medication? No. But I used to be on Adderall. I was one crazy ass kid.
On the inside are full of rainbows. Real rainbows. Autobots represent. Yeah? You want some of this in Megatron? Bring it. Bam! You got served.
Cookie.
If I were a slut, this is what I would look like. I'm a pretty princess. A pretty princess.
Don't tell my heart, my aching, breaking heart. You just don't think, understand.
Hey, check it out. Butt extensions.
Let's never speak of that again. Wait, you can say put your big old dick in a can of tuna fish salad and then put it in your mouth on TV, can't you? Does that say Penis Land? Penn Island. Crap! Well, hello there, sweet hipster Jesus.
I want the 5 minutes and 18 seconds of my life that you wasted back.
Tell your life you're welcome for all that booze. You get it? Because he said my life got wasted, and I said, haha, I bought your life alcohol, so it was drunk. My life is a lie.